Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a freelancer on Upwork and you've just wrapped up a project, getting your hard-earned money into your bank account is probably top of mind. In this video, we'll cover how to transfer funds from Upwork to your bank in 2025. With potential updates to the platform, I'll keep things straightforward and up-to-date based on the latest features. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Upwork account. Head over to the dashboard and look for the My Money or Earnings section. It's usually in the top menu. This is where all your payment details live. Once you're there, click on Withdraw Funds to start the process. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. For bank transfers, choose the option that says Bank Transfer or Direct Deposit. Upwork might ask you to verify your bank details if you haven't done so before. Enter your bank's routing number, account number, and any other required information. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Nothing worse than a typo holding up your cash. Now, review the amount you're withdrawing. Upwork typically charges a small fee for transfers, so keep an eye on that in the summary. Once you're happy, hit Confirm, and you're good to go. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, expect it to take about 3 to 5 business days for the funds to hit your account, depending on your bank and location. A quick pro tip: always ensure your Upwork account is verified to speed things up and avoid any holds. If you run into issues, check the help section or contact Upwork support, they're usually pretty responsive. And remember, with 2025 updates, there might be new security features like two-factor authentication, so stay alert. There you have it, transferring money from Upwork to your bank is simple once you know the steps. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing.